Press C on your keyboard. Write whatsoever thing you want to write. Mark. And move it to the side. Then right click on this and select PSL. Copy it, Ctrl C. Then hide this. Ctrl D to deselect. Ctrl D to deselect. Create a new layer. Go to Filter and select Vanishing Point. Control minus on your keyboard to zoom out. Then draw the point. Follow my step. Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl T to scale it. And drag it to the side. When you are done, click OK. And leave it. So if you don't like the position, you can move it and drag it. So can drag the text so anywhere you like. It's okay. Then right click on the layer, then go to blending option. Hold Alt and drag. And you are done, click OK. And that's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial to the end. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video. You can check out the affiliate link in my description to support my channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.